slow and steady trading. Welcome back to the channel where I show you my trading journey as a working man, not a bunch of money, not debt free, but slow and steady building a trading account. I'm showing you that it can be done. So okay, this week we crossed over 900. Now hopefully we stay over 900 by the time this video is done, because I'm currently in a trade that's still going. Right? So when we started, I think we was at 600 and about 680 bucks, and that was just a week ago, right? So we're gonna see how that go. And last video I'm talking about not seeing your setup, sitting on your hands and studying when you don't see your setup. Now what happens on days when you do see your setup, but you see multiples of your setups? Now you're in a situation. Not a bad situation, it's a good situation. But now, how do you narrow your setup from your setup? Right? Because I don't care, how many setups you got or what your setup is or your tried and true. Sometimes you still got to make a decision depending on what you're seeing. And if you see multiple of your setups, how do you handle that? Right? So, the way I figure to handle that is, what I do, it might not be the best thing to do. I see what's up the highest out of all my setups when I'm about to get in. When I say highest, mind you, I'm not getting in stocks that's already up 20-30%. They got a high volatility pre-market opening, 100 million shares already traded. That's not really my thing. I'm slow and steady. Those setups are for the scalpers and the day traders. We swing trade over here. We only day trade on Fridays. We don't leave our money in the market over the weekend, okay? Yeah. So, you can, when you see multiple of your setups and you're trying to figure out which one to go, that's another opportunity to hone in on your skills. Now, you take all those setups, you watch them all, put them in your watch list. But pick one, but put them in your watch list and see how they act. If they all do the same thing, then good, you own. But if one or two do something different from the other, but these are all your setups, that's an opportunity to improve. Study. See why that stock didn't act like you wanted to act, even though it was in your setup. Now, if you get 8 stocks you see that day and they're all in your setup and they all go the way you thought they was going to go according to your setup, let's say your money, you're good to go. Just keep rinse and repeat. Do that over and over. And that's how you slow and steady build your trading account. And we're going to slow and steady get out this rush hour traffic one day, and we're going to slow and steady transition into, I guess, maybe a trader lifestyle. Y'all here with me. You're going to see. We're going to build together. That's the plan, right? So, take this little bit of growth. Like I say, when people come on here and say they starting with a small account trading journey, this is really a small account trading journey you're seeing here, right? We started off with about $680 when we started this. Now, the account started off for 2, but like I said, I was playing around, but not playing, but learning. And when I finally seen that, my starting to be consistent and profitable, it was time to make the YouTube channel to show y'all that this can be done, right? Slow and steady. All right? So, that's my quick little rant for today. So let's get into the chart and see what's going on. You comment, like, subscribe. Slow and steady trading. Slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe. So today, currently, the market is closed, but after hours is still going. So right now, while we're looking at this, we up $64.55 in the account today. Now remember, when we started this, maybe about, this channel been going about a week now from this point where we at. This account had started like $680. So we're up almost $400 already from where we started, okay? So we took a trade in PMCB. So we got in today. at 9:32 a.m., right when the market opened, 580 shares at $1.08, right? And currently we're up $107.30 in the stock. All right. Now we sold IRBT today. Let's see. Let me see. 89. We sold at 304. Now this is saying down $31 today, but we're still in the money in that because when the market closed, it was up. It gapped down a little bit, but it didn't gap down past our entry. So we still made money on that. So let's go to the chart and see what it's looking like. Okay, PMCB. See, we got in. This gapped up. Now, looking at this goes against my rules, but it actually doesn't. Like I said, I don't like getting in stock that's up 20, 30% pre-market. This stock was up like 25, close to 30% pre-market. But it matched all my indicators and my rules. So I was kind of skeptical about it. I said, if it's right and I think it's right, it ought to go. So I went on in with it. All right, and let's see how much we spent on this. We'll come right back. PMCB. Let's see if I have this information up here. Well, it's not showing, but I know we spent close to $600. Whatever. 580 shares plus $1.08. You do the math. I think it's about $600. All right. So we got in at 108. It closed at 121. Currently sitting at 126. So this is my little dip and rip play right here. Like I say, it was up a little higher than I like, but it was in my it was within my rules. So I went and we're currently up. So these were some other stocks that we were just looking at during the day. And I'm gonna show you slow and steady. See that? Slow and steady climb. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. And that's a SPY. That's just all over the place. That's just for me to see the market. All right. And yesterday, which I was talking about, our robot, RRBT. We got in at 226. You see, when it closed up here around 340-ish, but it opened up around 301, around $3, you could say. So that's why it's down 31 cents. But we got in here and sold here. So we held, and I guess you could say lost all this, but we didn't lose, we didn't sell. We didn't lose anything, okay? We made money. Got in at 226, sold around $3, all right? So that's where we at. Comment, like, subscribe. Slow and steady trading. Hopefully tomorrow will be another good day and we can get this count over 1,000 and we can start rocking and rolling. So y'all stay along for the journey.